My name is Carmen Strickland, and I'm assistant professor in the Department of Family Medicine at Wake Forest. I spend my time largely in women's health, but have a very full scope practice, so babies, adults, and maternity care, including deliveries. We can literally see somebody through their entire healthcare course, including the time that they're pregnant, and then we can still see the mom and the baby and often the dad. So, you know, the whole family is literally ours. I really see myself as a consultant, and I try to give the very best information, get to know people so that I can advise best for their health, but at the end of the day, I let people make their own decisions, and I enjoy working with folks around making good decisions. Things that are important for health, probably most important is exercise, exercise, and exercise. And then after that, a healthy diet and stress management. So really learning how to cope with things that life throws you, and not get too affected in a negative way, because we see that on a very regular basis. We try in family medicine and just in my career in general to be very sensitive to the things that make everybody who they are, and then to try to tailor what we offer to them. So being a patient just reminds you it can be kind of a humbling experience, and it's important to just remember that it can be scary and it can be overwhelming and intimidating, and we try to have fun, actually, and most of the time we accomplish that, I think. I think it's critical to have a primary care physician, for a couple of reasons. So it's somebody that knows you well and can actually give you advice about your health that's tailored to you. And also in this day and age, medicine's just super complicated, and I think it's critical to have somebody who knows you well, who can help you navigate the entire healthcare system. A good primary care physician can handle most of your needs, and hopefully in a way that's very personal, but they can also be there to help guide you when things get a little bit more complicated, if they involve specialties and more complicated technical work.